Sometimes overcoming depression feels like an impossible battle. But what if someone who struggled for 15 years finally found a way out? This is not just theory. These are real, tested steps from someone who has been through it all and made it to the other side. 21-step recovery plan from a man who overcame 15 years of depression. 1. Wake up early and go for a walk. Stepping into the quiet morning air clears your mind and improves your mood. 2. Stay busy with your work. Keeping yourself engaged helps distract your mind from negative thoughts. 3. Be social. Spend more time with friends and seek their support. Isolation fuels depression. 4. Never compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own unique journey. Focus on yours. 5. Surround yourself with positive people. Avoid those who drain your energy and seek those who uplift you. 6. Limit your internet usage. If possible, deactivate your social media accounts or minimize your time online. 7. Lower your expectations. See everything you receive from others as a gift and avoid disappointment. 8. Stay away from toxic relationships. Stressful and draining relationships consume your energy. 9. Incorporate exercise into your life. Even simple movements at home can significantly boost your mood. 10. Spend time with your family. Being around them will make you feel safe and happy. 11th. Let go of prejudices. Accept people as they are and free your mind from unnecessary burdens. 12th. Read books. One of the most powerful ways to nourish your mind is through reading. Learn, grow, and evolve. 13. Find joy in small things. Happiness isn't in grand events, but in the little moments of everyday life. 14. Buy a gift for someone. Making others happy will increase your own happiness. 15. Spend time with children. Their pure joy and curiosity can be therapeutic for your soul. 16. Stay away from people who make you feel worthless. If you're not valued in a place, leave. 17. Travel whenever you can. You don't have to go far. Even a short getaway can refresh your mind. 18. Love yourself. Be at peace with your body, your mind, and your soul. 19. Express your emotions. Pay attention to your own feelings just as much as you do to others. 20. Don't fear loneliness. Spending time alone helps you understand yourself better. 21st. Let go of unnecessary burdens. Leave behind the thoughts, habits, and people that make you unhappy. If you apply all these steps, depression won't be able to reach you, and even if it does, you will have learned how to overcome it.